Hello. Today my new Pro Clips came in to mount my GPS. I'm going to mount my GPS here instead of on the windshield. So, you know, as I'm driving, it's right here instead of having to try to reach up here. So I ordered the Pro Clips, and I have a Nuvi mount and I have a center mount. The center mount's going to go right here. They have one that goes down lower and they have one that goes over here for the sprinters. But I thought this would be a good starting point. And the instructions came with it, said stop, warning, if you screw into the mount it will be considered used and therefore non-refundable. And so it says to mount the mount first and then attach the attachment point to it, the adapter plate. So we're going to put the mount in first. So let's do that. And I got my little dog here, Spike. Spike's going to help. Spike.
Spike.
Say hi to the camera. Look.
Spike, watch.
Spike wants to crawl into my lap, but hey, there we go. He looks out the window. So we're going to open this first package up, and I'm going to work on installing the clip. Okay, down, Spike.
Oops, Spike.
Okay.
You can tell these are unrehearsed videos.
Yeah, really. Got that.
Hi, buddy. Spike, so speak.
Okay.
So speak.
Speaking of Spike.
He
Okay.
doesn't want to, because we want him to, he won't.
All right, so this is the mount, and it comes with a little tool.
You see the tool.
The
Okay.
tool. And a little alcohol prep pad, because there is some sticky on the back of this. So let's see. First thing I want to do is, I guess I'm just going to look and see where it goes first. It clips on right about here. So there and there.
Oh, I see.
Okay, so
On the far left side, you hook it around and then.
yeah. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this alcohol pad.
Is it going to glue there?
Yep, it'll
sticky there.
A little sticky tape there, double stick tape. So we'll put that there. And then we got to pry. They say to go up here and. Okay, so there's that. And then.
Great, so you've snapped the carbon fiber trim loose on that side, have you?
Press it in, yeah. Feel the adhesive. Place the curved edge into the Pro Clip in the gap. Before I actually do that, I'm also gonna do this side over here just to see how this works. Let's see.
Popping it loose too.
Is it coming up? I guess it doesn't have to come up too far, so let's see.
Peeling off the glue.
Yeah, trying to anyway. Okay, so there's that. And they show it just a little bit above. I'm gonna say it's got to come down just a little bit further, probably right about there. And then, let's see. There we go. So that's that.
Oh, wow.
And let's see, how's it look over here?
It looks great.
Is it attached there? Yeah. So there it is.
Nice.
So that was simple, pretty easy. I made it a little bit harder than it needed to be because I didn't want to pull that tape off without really checking it. So that's that. And then now I'll need a screwdriver. And it's just hard. You know, if I were to do this again, I just would have mounted the adapter to the mount and said the heck with it. There we go. Okay. So there's that. I'm not really torquing these down. This is just plastic. It just has to hold it. I don't want to get it too tight and strip them. Okay, so that's that. Now on the Garmin, it just pops out like that. And there it is.
Love it.
Yeah, it's about a 5-minute job, but it took me about 10 minutes, I guess. But there it is, and it would be nice if it was a little tighter.
You mean didn't swivel so fast easily?
Yeah. Okay. Well, just felt a little loose on there. Okay, so there it is. Yay! And then let's see. Is it spike approved? Yeah. Spike approved on the clip mount for the Garmin. So now we can drive on down the road. Oh, and I also have a Garmin. Here, hop on down for a second, Spike. I have a Garmin 45 dash cam, and I mounted the little tab here. Show up here. I mounted the tab for the magnet right up there, so I can just stick that right there. It just came off again.
Oh,
Just a little.
still loose.
Yeah. Okay, there we go. So there we are, all set to go. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos, and we'll see you on the road.